Just get a Steam Deck, they said. I got a Steam Deck. Before I get into this unboxing video, I just want y'all to know the Nintendo Switch 2 has been sold out everywhere. Y'all, somebody was lying. Oh, we're not gonna buy the Nintendo Switch 2. You lie. Yeah, what's up, everyone? It's your boy WhiteDesku, and welcome back to another video. We're gonna be unboxing the Valve Steam Deck LCD. And before y'all get in the comments saying,
oh, LED is better.
Come here. I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. I'm going to tell you this very carefully. I know the OLED is better. I know. But guess what? It's sold out. First, it started with the 1 terabyte version selling out. I think it was around the beginning or the end of May. And then not too long after, a week ago at this point, the 512 gigabyte version of the OLED's out. Now, y'all probably wondering, why get a LCD if you know the OLED's better? Okay, that's simple to answer. Basically, because I want one now. I've never experienced a Steam Deck, so this is the entry. I'm not no power user, so this is perfect enough for me until a Steam Deck 2 comes out, which we don't know when that's going to be. So I think right now it's the best time to get LCD or the OLED, whatever you can afford. And I could afford the OLED version. It was in my cart for a month. And in the moment I actually was going to buy it with my paycheck, gone. I have been yapping way too much. Let's go right to the unboxing. All right, so here we are. You know, they package this perfectly. Okay. All right. So the first thing I see is attention, plug in, power on. All right, I understand. Very clear, very concise. All right, what's this? Okay, power adapter. Here it is, the Steam Deck. All right, so nice packaging here, not too bad. Comes with its own carrying case, not bad. You gotta buy the dock separately, I believe, which I don't mind. Looks pretty good. Wrapped in plastic. They took very good care of this. It's the first time I've ever ordered anything from Steam, like, you know, something like this. Of course I buy games on Steam, but I never bought an actual console like this. When I first heard of the Steam Deck, I did hear about this version of it when it was 2022, but I think it was like 64 gigabytes back then. It's a 256 gigabyte model I have right here. I am planning on getting a micro SD card. Shout out to my girlfriend for getting me a Best Buy gift card for Father's Day. Love y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna use that to get me a micro SD card for this. Okay, there we go. Good enough, good enough. It's not really damaged. Okay, nicely packaged. Instruction manual on the inside. And now the main dish. Let's out the plastic right quick. Boom. Yo, Valve did a pretty good job with this, you know. Presentation looks nice. Just gotta take this thing off. Oh, there's no way around not damaging this. Wait, never mind. Didn't even notice this tab here before. Well, oh well. Wow, this is really hard to do with one hand. Little Valve tag. Interesting. I'm already getting dust in the case. There's my box cutter, I guess. Alright. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, I opened the wrong one. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Bro, this thing is massive compared to the Nintendo Switch. Hold on, let me get my Nintendo Switch real quick. Bro, The Switch looks so much smaller compared to this. This is the case. Get my games out the way. Look at that. Okay, I need one. Look at that size difference. Look at that. That's insane. Alright. Let's pick it up like this, I guess. Oh wow, it feels a lot lighter than I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be heavier. Okay. Wow. Big old screen. I was thinking the screen's gonna be so much smaller when I first see it, but it feels a lot bigger now I'm looking at it, because now I think about it, going from the OG Nintendo Switch from launch to this, it's a huge difference in terms of the screen, so nothing to complain about there. And I love that Valve provided a case to go with the Steam Deck, and you says 100% for everything. Hopefully there's some juice in here so we can like set it up. Make sure y'all see every angle of this. Try to get the best angles as I can. Looks exactly like how a Switch would look on the top. At least just about. From the vents to other areas. Size comparison. This thing is huge compared to this thing. Alright. Let's put this on for the first time. Hopefully it's the best angle. No, not a lot of YouTubers do a lot of good angles to this. Let me like readjust some things for that real quick. Alright, so it's 100% dead right now, but I'm gonna set it up in my own time. Basically, from what I've seen from other videos I've watched online, when I was waiting for this thing to get in the mail, is I gotta log in with my Steam account and whatnot, which that's pretty basic, bare bones. I know not everyone needs to see that. Anyways, let me go back to my camera. Anyways, let me go back to my computer right quick. Well, it's good I had a spare USB-C cable on my computer, so I'm booting it up. This screen looks amazing for an LCD screen. People talk crazy on the internet so much, but seeing this in person, it looks mad clear. I'm not even joking with y'all, not being biased, none. Because I have a lot of LCD devices, from my iPad to this, and this right here looks very good so far. I had like a little sound as soon as I plugged in too, so that's nice. Wasn't expecting no like sound when you plug into the charger. Oh yeah, it's telling me to use the Steam charger. Hey, don't get triggered with me. It's just that this right here is really short. I noticed that as soon as I saw it, so that's why I didn't want to really show no type of setup. So yeah, I'm still gonna use my own charger though for now, because I need to show y'all at least something before the video ends. Hold on, I'm gonna switch back to my other camera. All right, so English, choose your time. Mine is the what? Eastern Standard Time. Where's that at? I don't know, Wi-Fi is set up. What? Okay. That's weird.
3 hours later.
Alright y'all, so if it looks darker in here, that's because it took me 3 hours to set this up. 3 hours. I was stuck through a whole update issue, and what I did was I had to go in and erase the whole data of the whole thing and then go back in the BIOS, and here we are. That took 3 hours. 3 hours. Anyways, let me log in with my phone right quick. Man, I love Steam makes it so easy to sign in to the accounts. All I had to do was just use my phone and just scan the QR code. That's all I had to do. Anyways, here we go. Welcome to the Steam Deck. Woohoo! I pretty much know what I'm doing right here with the volume buttons and all that. Micro SD card slot, yes sir. Have fun. Thank God, this right here, this was a painful install. I ain't gonna be biased like all the other YouTubers. This was a painful experience, but I'm glad I finally got it. Now I think this is my whole library of games pretty much. I'm not sure why it's not showing the actual image of the games. Not sure why. Oh, it's showing like 2 of them. I finally got myself a Steam Deck, a decent looking one too. I know it's the LCD one, but literally this is all I can get since the OLED, both OLED versions are gone as of right now. They're not gonna be back until probably sometime in summer. And oh, there it goes. There's all my games are here. Tell me what I can and can't play. Pretty smooth, pretty fluid. Again, I can't stress how bad the setup was. The setup was terrible. I had to go through so many Reddit posts just to figure out what to do, and it wasn't that helpful, so I had to figure out my own thing. So I will leave it in the comments below. Well, not the comments, I'll leave it in the description, hopefully, if I remember how I was able to get through that first step, because that's why a lot of people had a lot of issues with this, because when you get to that first step of installing the stuff on there, I kid you not, I had to go through this 3, 4, 5 times, and it still said update error, update error, update error. I was this close to just stopping everything, but you know, I'm glad I still kept faith and I was able to fix it myself. Yeah, y'all, this thing looks insanely clean. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Looks insanely clean. Love it. Expect some Steam Deck content to be on the way. I just need to have some time to kind of just, you know, get the hang of this, because I've never owned a PC handheld before, so it's the first time I'm actually using one. I started off using Steam Link on my phone, and that's kind of how I kind of got into looking into the Steam Deck. I remember when I used to have these like stocked up in Walmart, but I guess since everyone like bought them up in my town, like back during the pandemic times, I've only seen these things online for sale, whether you go on Steam's site or you go on some other site where people are reselling them for twice the price. I got this for $399, so not bad. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below if you have any issues setting this thing up, and I'll try my best to help y'all, because I was this close to just putting Steam back in the box and just ending this video. I'm not one to cap when it comes to these videos, y'all. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.